Good morning. Welcome to the class of economics of class 9. Today we will be studying chapter 1, part 2. Today the topic of discussion will be distinction between economic and non-economic activities. This will be discussed on three parameters, that is objectives, measurements and legal. So the topic of discussion is the distinction between economic and non-economic activities. What is the difference between economic and non-economic activities on the basis of three parameters, that is objective, measurements and legal. What is the objective of the economic activity and what is the objective of non-economic activity? We have to understand this first very point. The economic activity is the activity that is concerned with the earning of wealth. Those activities which are concerned with the earning of wealth is called economic activities, whereas those activities which are not concerned with earning wealth is called non-economic activities, just like recreation, playing and religion, patriotism, social services, etc. It will be a non-economic activities. Whereas on the second parameter, that is called measurement, the economic activities can be measured in terms of money. The economic activities are those activities which are measured in terms of money, whereas non-economic activities are those activities which cannot be measured in terms of money, right? And the third point is that all the economic activities are carried on in accordance with the law of the land, means all the economic activities are legal, whereas the non-economic activities may be legal or illegal, right? Now let us come to the second point. Let me rub the board. Definition of economics. What are the definition of economics? Economics is defined according to the different definitions. There are basically four definitions you have to study in this very class. The economics word is derived from the Greek word ekos, which means household, and the second word is nomos, which means management. These two words combine to form economics. This means the management of household from the scarce resource means economics. Similar way, the management of state or a country with the scarce resource is called the economy of that very country. So what is economics? Economics is basically a social science that relates with the economic activities. Economics is basically a social science that relates with the economic activities. So its main objective is to satisfy the unlimited wants with the scarce resources. In Hindi we can say that हमारी अनंत इच्छाओं को सीमित संसाधनों द्वारा संतुष्ट करना इकोनॉमिक्स मतलब अर्थशास्त्र का यही उद्देश्य होता है. इसी चीज़ का अध्ययन हम अर्थशास्त्र में करते हैं. अर्थशास्त्र मीन्स इकोनॉमिक्स, राइट? So there are different definitions of economics. We shall now discuss the major definition of economics under the following four groups. We will discussing the definition of economics under the four groups. One is wealth definition, second is welfare definition, third is scarcity definition, and fourth is growth definition. Let me rub the board. These are the four groups under which the definition of economics are divided for the purpose of study of economics. First is the wealth definition, second is the welfare definition, third is the scarcity definition, fourth is the growth definition. We will be studying one by one in detail. First is the wealth definition. In this category, the definition of economics is given by Adam Smith. Adam Smith is also known as the father of economics. The first definition, that is wealth definition, was given by Adam Smith. The first definition was given by Adam Smith, who is also known as father of economics, right? He was born in 1723 and died in 1790. And his followers included the Adam Smith is the father of modern economics. In his book, The Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nation, he defined economics as a science of wealth. He described economics as a science of wealth. Wealth definition describes, according to Adam Smith, as a science of wealth. Economics as a science of wealth. Second point, according to wealth definition, it says that economics studies production and consumption of wealth. Economics is the production and consumption of wealth. The second point that says, according to the wealth definition, that it is the production and consumption of wealth. What is the meaning of production? Production means उत्पादन and consumption means खपत. Wealth means धन का उत्पादन और खपत. ये wealth definition का एक प्रमुख बिंदु है. ठीक है. Next, Adam Smith laid much emphasis on wealth, which is contained in the very title of the book. Even the title of the book, Wealth of Nation, the term wealth is emphasized on. The term wealth is emphasized on. Means the wealth of nation, according to the wealth definition of economics, the Adam Smith says that the wealth is the main concern of the study of economics, according to the wealth definition of economics. The great objective of the political economy of every country, according to Adam Smith, is to increase the richness of the country. He therefore thought economics as the inquiry into the nature and causes of a wealth of a nation. Means his main inquiry was the nature and causes of wealth of the nation. He wrote a book about the wealth of the nation. The central point in Adam Smith's definition is wealth. The central point is wealth. In the wealth definition, the central point is wealth. In the wealth definition, the central point is wealth. The Adam Smith view, wealth refers to gold, silver, land, building, and whole production of goods and services that can be consumed. Let me read the board. I will write it. What comprises the wealth? According to the wealth definition of economics, what are those materials that are considered as wealth? Gold, silver, land, buildings, and whole production of goods and services. Land, buildings, and the whole production of goods and services. And the whole production of goods and services. These all comprises the wealth. According to Adam Smith, these all comprises the wealth. Again he says, it is important to note that money is not the part of the wealth, because money is not demanded in its own say. It is only the medium of exchange of goods and service. Money is not a wealth, it is only a medium of exchange. According to wealth definition, money is only a medium of exchange. So Adam Smith, the followers of Adam Smith are J.B. Say, J.S. Mill and Volcker. These are the prominent economists of his period and the later period. Now let us come to the features of wealth definition of economics. What are the features of wealth definition of economics? Study of wealth, study of material goods only, and economic man. Here the concept of economic man is important. We will be discussing the features of wealth definition of economics in the next video. Till then, take care.